Okay, so this is where we at, you know. This is what life has come to at this point. Hey guys, it's OJ Merge back with another video. Currently O is downstairs getting dressed, but he probably will make a little sneak appearance. I really wanted to make room for this video and tell you guys what I'm putting in my hospital bag because baby could literally be here any day now. Currently I am 37 weeks and 4 days, so it's getting really real in the field, guys. And if you are preparing for your baby's arrival, don't be like me and wait until the last minute. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this baby bag together on time, but yeah, we're doing it today. I just went to like Target and Walmart, picked up things that were cheap, affordable, things that I didn't mind getting messed up or potentially having to throw out after my hospital stay. So I really didn't go all out. I just picked up things that I thought were useful. So this is from Walmart. As y'all can see, my things are still in bags because I'm just the worst. Instead of packing a bag, I'm actually gonna pack like a little miniature suitcase, just a small rolly case, because that's what we have, and I'll be using that to put my things as well as baby's things, and anything that O wants to put in there as well should fit in there nicely. From Walmart, I picked up a robe, and I just thought it would be nice to have a cozy, soft robe in the hospital. I don't know if it's gonna be cold or hot, but I just wanna feel warm and comfortable and just cozy. I really wanna feel comfortable. So I thought this was really nice. I got it from Walmart. Oh my gosh, where's the belt though? I would be the one to buy a robe and pick the one that's missing the belt. Like, where's my belt? Okay, that's not what's up. I'm gonna have to like go back to Walmart and jack one of their belts. I need to get it together. This is the baby braid, the baby brain. Save me, somebody intervene. Another Walmart bag. I got some slippers. And you know what, y'all? And I don't want y'all to think I'm being cheap or nothing like that, but I think I'm gonna leave my tags on this stuff, because what I found is that a lot of women, when they're packing their hospital bags, they're like, I didn't use any of that stuff that I bought, you know? And I don't know, you know, what I'm gonna use or what I'm not gonna use. I kind of have an idea, but yeah, I don't know. But I bought these little slippers. O tells me that they're not slippers, that if they don't have a hard bottom, they're not slippers, and they're not safe for the hospital because you could step on a needle. And I don't even want to think about that or speak that into an existence, but I really like these, and they're really cozy, and you can see when you open them up, they have like the little fur in them. So I thought these would be really good for the toesies. So we're gonna throw that in the bag. I did also pick up some nursing bras in a size small because I really don't have that much to offer up here. I mean, I know when you're breastfeeding, your boobs, they get engorged, they grow, whatever. But if I'm being honest with myself, I'm still team small over here. So I went ahead and got a small, and hopefully these can be put to use. So this will be going in the hospital bag as well. I also went ahead and bought some underwear, just some underwear that I didn't mind getting messed up. I also wanted them to be big enough for the pads that I'm gonna be wearing after giving birth. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna open these because I'm really curious how big they are. Like, I bought them in an extra large, if you can see that. Back in the day, I used to be a size small, then I got a little thick, then I was a medium, then I got pregnant, and it was like, okay, I could be over here in team large. So then I said maybe I should get extra large, because after the baby I'm gonna have to wear the pad. So let's see what's really going on. Okay, so this is where we at, you know. This is what life has come to at this point. Yep. Can I fit these though? Cause on the real, I don't want to like be falling out of these joints, but I wonder if I could fit these. Oh, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out of the pack and fold them, put them in my suitcase, you know, pack them up with my dignity and self-esteem. Also in the Walmart bag we have some socks. So these feel really good too. These are some nice socks, y'all, and they were for the low. I think these were like $4 at Walmart. Like, yeah, I like these a lot. So these are just some socks to keep my feet warm while I'm in the hospital. Okay, so that's it for the Walmart stuff. And then I came home and I showed all the things that I got, and he basically was like, well, you still need this and you still need that. So I happened to be at Target picking up the base for baby's car seat, and I was like, well, I'm at Target, so let me see what else I can grab up. I'm going into my Target bag now. I found an outfit to wear home from the hospital, basically, and it's just a regular sweatsuit. So it's just some sweats, plain sweats. They're green. They kind of, I guess they're kind of cute and trendy. And then it comes with a sweatshirt. And for, I mean, you know, Target is Target, but I got this for the low. Like the top was $6.58. Like, come on now, when do you ever get a shirt at Target for $7? And then the pants were $10.98. So yeah, I got me like a cool little outfit for under 20 bucks from Target. So this is what I wear home from the hospital. Super comfortable, super soft, and I could just slide right up in this thing, me and my granny panties and my pad. Okay, I don't know what it is about modern times, but what I actually was looking for was a nightgown. And I was at Target and I asked her where the nightgowns were, and she pointed me in the direction of this, which to me is just like a oversized shirt, or I mean, it could pass for maybe like a plaid dress or something, but this is literally what they're considering nightgowns these days. So that's what we have, ladies. Like back in my day, a nightgown was a nightgown, you know, but now this is what we got. So yep, a nightgown, just so that in case I struggle to like slide into some pajama pants or something like that, and I just want something easy that's not gonna cause me to have to do a lot of moving, just button this thing down and we good to go. And then I just picked up a few just essentials. So this is like a to-go, not a to-go, what am I trying to say? This is a traveling makeup bag, which I didn't have before. So basically I'm just going to use this and I'm going to put some of my makeup essentials in there, so I'm not looking too crazy or too rough. We'll really see how that goes, you know. I mean, it sounds good, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to throw like my mascara in here, some concealer, some chapstick, some eyeliner maybe, you know, just the little things, the essentials. And also have a travel toothpaste so that O and I can have access to that when we're in the hospital chilling. I'm sure they'll have stuff like that, but it's just better safe than sorry. And we will actually pack our toothbrushes and stuff, you know, later on, or that's something easy that you can grab if you forget it. But I just thought this would be useful. And lastly, I got some disposable nursing pads. because I will be breastfeeding, and I don't know what that entails, how my body's gonna react to that, if I'm gonna leak milk or not. But I'd much rather not be laid up in a pool of titty milk if I don't have to be. So if I so happen to need these, I'll have them. I'm sure the hospital has these as well, but I just figured since I'm gonna be breastfeeding, this is something I probably should buy to have at home. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a pack of 60. I doubt I need to take 60 pads with me to the hospital. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out a handful. Probably about that much. And pack that in the suitcase. And then the rest I'll just keep at home. Babe! Yeah. You gonna come say hi? You gonna come say hi to the people? He's down there being a pretty boy, y'all. I don't know what has gotten into him these days. He's down there being a pretty boy, like, dude. But yeah, so that's pretty much that for that. Okay, I see you.
Let's stop with that.
In all white. Come here.
Like you want to come, I'm gonna chew on my jacket, kind of cool. Let me jacket.
Yeah, so that's all I'm bringing for me, you guys. I mean, yes, I could have gotten like you know, the pads or whatever, but honestly, I went to a baby class today, and I just asked her, like, do I need to bring these things? And she's like, no, they're gonna have this for you, they're gonna have that for you, they're gonna have nipple cream, they're gonna have baby milk, they're gonna have whatever you need in case you need it, you know. But of course, you don't want to be like a total mooch. So I think the things that I brought for myself are practical and they make sense. Now, I'm sure y'all are wondering, well, what did you bring for your baby? Because, you know, it's not all about you, Mom. It's about the baby, too. Yes. Yes, it is. For baby, I'm packing some socks. Little socks. And actually, these socks go with his outfit that he's going to be wearing home. So, I just picked his cream outfit that somebody bought for him. Oh, that's what you're doing.
Wow.
That's what you're doing.
What me I do?
Y'all, somebody come look at this. Come say hi to the people, babe. I don't know if you're in frame or not, but
well, I go on merch funds all day. I know. Go already.
Getting fresh and clean because we're actually about to leave and go to his Christmas party after this. But you look good, babe. You smell good too.
Thank you. Big up on yourself, you know. All day, I know. One time. Boom.
So yes, and then so the outfit that he's gonna wear from home, from the hospital to the home, is basically, I just thought that this was a cute shirt, Mama's little man, in the cream color with the cream pants and the hat. So, you know, his little cream color outfit, he can be clean, you know, something like his daddy, you know, he gonna be wearing the all cream fit coming home. But yeah, so he'll have that with the socks. And I also gathered some Pampers for him. I know they're gonna have Pampers for him at the hospital, but I don't think it hurts to have some of your own things. The hospital told me specifically, you're gonna be the one changing his diapers. You're gonna be the one caring for him when he cries.
We are carrying one of Pampers. We are carrying one of Pampers.
Yeah, yeah. So
regardless.
So with that being said, I'm like, okay, well, when I get there, what else y'all gonna have me be responsible for? I might as well just come ready, you know? So I'm packing a couple of those, not too many, but just a few in case I need them. In addition to his outfit, I just packed him a couple of tees. Oh, actually picked these out for him to wear to make his debut into the world. So just a couple t-shirts. A blue one, blue and white, a gray and white one, and oh, and also another blue one. Okay, so he has 3 shirts, And then he has a little pair of pants, a little pair of joggers that he can wear with those to stay warm. And then mittens, the nurse told me to make sure I bring mittens. I guess babies come out with these killer claws when they're born and you just don't want no problem. So mittens for the little one. Also packing some wipes. Again, I'm sure this is something that is provided to you, but we just went ahead and how do you open this thing? Yo. Okay. These smell really good. Ooh. But yes. Wipes, okay? Yes. This is a disaster. But yes, we basically took some of his wipes out of his little disposable pack. We put it in the traveling pack and boom, we ready to go. Okay, and then the last few items that I brought for baby was a blanket. This one is cute. It's blue and gray and cream and it has little bears on it. So that's that. He also has a swaddler. Just something to put him in, you know, if he needs to be swaddled. And then lastly, this is just like a little, it's just a little jumper, I guess, to put him in as we're transporting him from the hospital room to the car, because it is winter time. Right now it's December. He might get here in January and he's gonna need to be warm. So we packed this for him. And I would say, yeah guys, that's pretty much everything. Let me take this off the hanger and fold it up. But that's pretty much everything. I really can't think of anything else that's like something that we really need. I mean, because again, a lot of women say they pack these hospital bags and they didn't use half the stuff that was in them. So I just don't want to go crazy. The only few items that I'm going to throw in there that's not in there right now is I'm going to fill up my travel makeup bag, probably throw some lotion in there, my toothbrush, and a comb, little stuff like that, and I'll throw that in there tonight or tomorrow, and then we'll be ready to go. And I need to go past Walmart and steal somebody's robe tie, because that's not cool. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that it gave you some ideas of what to put in your hospital bag. Let me know in the comments below what you actually did put in your hospital bag when you were preparing for delivery. Did you use it, or was it just a waste of space? If you're expecting, tell me what you're putting in your hospital bag, and let me know if I'm forgetting anything, if it's something I need to take out of here and replace with something else. But yeah guys, the countdown is on for baby. He will be here any day now. So we will talk to you soon. Hopefully we'll be giving you an update to our new family member. And that's all I got for you tonight. So until next time, OJ Merge, peace out.
Are you me lover, you me want to be my only cheek. Girl, give me your finger, me have to put a ring on it. Night nurse, me addicted to your nightly trick. Never get a loving like this, like this.